Hi everyone, it's Hannah from Pleasant, and it really is a beautiful spring day. I'm so excited. So let's see what I found in a bush. Pink bird, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a bluebird looking at me. Bluebird, what do you see? I see an orange bird looking at me. Orange bird, what do you see? I see, a green bird looking at me. Green bird, what do you see? I see a brown bird looking at me. And that's what I see. So happy spring, everybody. Get out there, take a walk, and see what birds are coming back to your neighborhood. I haven't seen a robin yet, but I have seen a bluebird. I saw a cardinal. Nope, I saw a cardinal, which is a red bird. I'm still looking for a bluebird. Okay, see you soon.